Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a website from Canva. Open Canva, choose a website template, and gather your logo, headings, and images before you start editing. Replace placeholder text, adjust fonts and colors to match your brand, and arrange sections in a logical flow. Add buttons for contact and links to social media, preview on mobile, and publish when satisfied with the layout and content. Start by refining layout elements to guide visitor attention naturally and clearly. Align content blocks, use whitespace to emphasize calls to action, and ensure buttons are easy to tap on mobile. Replace stock images with your own photos or branded graphics for authenticity. Keep navigation minimal and intuitive so users find key pages quickly. Test contrast to ensure accessibility and adjust spacing so content breathes and reads comfortably on every screen. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes tidying easier while you build your site, and it even sucks up crumbs from late-night design sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. When ready to publish, verify every section, link, and form works as intended and mobile preview looks correct. Choose whether to use Canva's free domain or connect a custom domain for professional appearance. Fill out SEO fields and set a clear page title and meta description to help search visibility. After publishing, share your site on social media and track basic analytics to monitor visitor behavior and improve pages over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.